It is time to launch your store. After many steps that we've been taking before, currently, only you and those who know the password are able to access to your store. You can change and remove your online store passwords whenever you're ready to launch your store. Now, from Shopify admin, go to online store and then click on Preference. Scrolling to the password sections, uncheck or restrict access to visitor with the password option. After that, click Save. Well, you can promote your store by using various marketing strategies such as email marketing, social media marketing, and search engine optimization. The goal is to reach your target audience and drive traffic to your store. This is the end of part on how to launch your store. By following this step, you can prepare to launch your Shopify store successfully.